Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel ChemWis. In this video we are going to learn Dess-Martin Periodinane oxidation. In this reaction, a primary or secondary alcohol in the presence of Dess-Martin Periodinane, abbreviated as DMP, in DCM at room temperature gets oxidized to aldehyde or ketone. Mechanism of Dess-Martin Periodinane oxidation. Dess-Martin Periodinane has hypervalent iodine atom which acts as electrophilic center. Alcohol has nucleophilic oxygen atom. Attack of alcohol oxygen on iodine followed by elimination of acidoxy group produces species A and acetate ion. Acetate ion then abstracts the proton from oxonium ion of A to produce acetic acid and species B. Species B undergoes intramolecular deprotonation and elimination of acetic acid and species C to produce aldehyde or ketone. Examples of Dess-Martin Periodinane oxidation: 1-propanol, benzyl alcohol, 2-propanol, and phenylethanol when undergo Dess-Martin Periodinane oxidation produce propionaldehyde, benzaldehyde, acetone and acetophenone respectively. 2-benzyloxyethane-1-ol when oxidized by Dess-Martin Periodinane gives benzyloxyacetaldehyde. Similarly, this F-mark protected chiral amino alcohol after Dess-Martin Periodinane oxidation gives corresponding aldehyde. That's all in this video. Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon if you like this video. Thank you very much for watching this video.